Low Country Walkthrough, sponsored by Jeff Cook Real Estate.
Welcome back to Living Local. Joining us today, a real estate expert from Jeff Cook Real Estate.
Thanks so much for coming out, Ashley. I'm Rachel Spence. I'm an expert agent with Jeff Cook Real Estate. Today we are going to be giving you a tour of 4788 Sebastian Court in North Charleston. You can give us a call for information, but I'd love to show you around today.
Perfect. Okay, where are we going to start first?
Let's head upstairs to the master bedroom where there is a gorgeous marsh view and it overlooks the pool. There is a master ensuite bathroom and a couple of spacious bedrooms.
Love it. How many bedrooms upstairs?
There are 3 bedrooms upstairs.
Okay, what's going on the main floor?
The main floor is gorgeous. It's got smooth ceilings, hardwood floors, beautiful marsh view overlooking an in-ground pool. It's got a gorgeous deck that is over the yard, an eat-in kitchen that's gorgeous, a great kitchen with a window that is over the sink. It's a beautiful floor plan.
And it has a lot of natural light, I'm seeing.
It absolutely does. The color in here is gorgeous, lots of light. It's a great family home.
Perfect. All right, and then we were just speaking about downstairs and outside. The pool looks awesome and it's safe. It has like an enclosure, right?
Yes, it's screened in, so it's safe. If you have kids, it's gorgeous. There's a deck. You can do lots of activities outside in the summer.
And I saw on my way in the water view right when I was driving in. I mean, it's right near the water, right?
Yes, this is one of the most premier spots in North Charleston. It's a gorgeous water view. It's beautiful. You do have a marsh view as well as a river view. It's a great spot.
And I love that it's kind of tucked in here, right?
Yes, it is. It's a little private cul-de-sac, a wonderful, quiet neighborhood. I think it's a great spot.
So is there anything else we need to know before we go?
Yes, Ashley, thank you so much for asking. On average, Jeff Cook Real Estate listings sell 30 days faster than the competition. So if you'd like to schedule a private showing for this home, please call us at 843-501-0501 or visit us online at jeffcookrealestate.com.
Well, thanks again for having me.
Thank you so much.
More Living Local coming your way. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.